Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Now before I get started with the show, I'd like to remind all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page if you haven't yet for all the latest updates of your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, let's start the show with the headlines of the day. Varun Dhawan's uncle Anil Dhawan confirms his wedding to Natasha Dalal on January 24th. Salman shares an appreciation post for bodyguard Shera from the sets of Antim, The Final Truth. Kangana Ranaut faces defamation charges after Javed Akhtar files a complaint against her. Shah Rukh, Deepika and John to film high-octane action scenes for Pathaan in the Middle East. The real reason why Alia Bhatt was in hospital.
भाई सेंटर में वरुण भाई सेंटर में
भैया भाभी यहाँ पे
Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal are getting hitched in just a few days. Lekin with Varun's packed schedule of back-to-back films, this soon-to-be married couple doesn't have any time for a honeymoon. Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal have been in love for over a decade now. And the couple who met as teenagers have been through plenty of highs and lows together. According to some reports, the couple was supposed to get married in May last year, but the pandemic delayed their plans. Now, even with restrictions still in place, Varun and Natasha have decided कि वो 7 जन्मों के बंधन में बंध के रहेंगे. In fact, we might know what the venue will be as well. Take a look. Varun Dhawan has been going through a rough spell at the box office with Kalank and Coolie No. 1 both getting negative reviews at the box office. But जहां तक उनकी personal life का सवाल है, things seem to be looking rosy and romantic. After years of dating each other, Natasha and Varun दूल्हा दुल्हन बनने जा रहे हैं. And after a delay of 8 months, the two will finally say, I do. Even Varun's uncle Anil Dhawan, जिन्होंने शादी के rumors को deny किया था, has now confirmed that Varun and Natasha are getting married on the 24th of January. But while they may all be set to walk down the aisle, सुनने में आया है कि ये कपल फिलहाल कोई हनीमून प्लान नहीं कर रहा है. The couple has reportedly decided to play it safe and avoid travel क्योंकि वरुण इस साल एक के बाद एक फिल्मों की शूट में बिजी रहने वाले हैं. The star has 3 plum projects in the pipeline: Jug Jug Jio, which also has Kiara Advani, Anil Kapoor and Neetu Kapoor, Bhediya, जहां Kriti Sanon उनके opposite होंगी, और 21, which will bring Varun together with his Badlapur director Sri Ram Raghavan. वरुण किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट को डिले नहीं करना चाहते हैं और इसलिए शादी के तुरंत बाद वो शूट्स रिज्यूम करने वाले हैं. The Varun-Natasha wedding is going to be a simple gathering of just 50 people, but we hear that the who's who of the industry, including Shah Rukh Khan, Karan Johar, Salman Khan, Remo D'Souza, Shashank Khaitan, Shilpa Shetty, husband Raj Kundra, and Vashu Bhagnani have been invited. But while we don't know who will finally turn up for the wedding, given that all shoots are happening in bio bubbles, we may have some inside news about the venue of the wedding. जी हाँ, the little birdies have been telling us that the big fat Dalal Dhawan wedding may happen at a venue called the Mansion House. Both the families are rumored to be leaving for Alibag on 21st and will be taking private yachts that have been booked to ferry all the wedding guests back and forth between Mumbai and the wedding venue. Here's wishing the couple all the very best for a happy married life. Salman Khan is busy shooting for Antim, the final truth, after which he begins the highly anticipated Tiger 3. The superstar, who has been working non-stop since lockdown restrictions lifted, took some time out to share an appreciation post for his bodyguard Shera and called him the symbol of loyalty.
सलमान खान spent several months of the lockdown at his farmhouse in Panvel. लेकिन जैसे ही restrictions ease हुए, he completed the pending scenes and songs for the long-delayed film Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai. The Sultan of Swag then moved on to shoot for a reality show that he hosts and has also been working on Antim, the Final Truth, which also stars his brother-in-law Ayush Sharma. But now, the really big film that Salman starts shooting for later this year is Tiger 3, which is being produced by Yash Raj Films. YRF are producing several big budget projects simultaneously and will be supposedly making a grand launch of their upcoming films very soon.
Salman Khan is playing a Sardar cop in the movie Antim, the Final Truth, और उनके brother-in-law Ayush is playing the chief antagonist. अपने करियर में सलमान पहली बार सरदार का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं and fans were super excited when his first look was shared on social media. In a recent post, Salman shared another picture of himself in the character from the film's shoot, and it was interesting to see Salman's longtime bodyguard Shera also posing with his boss wearing a turban. Salman, who looked dapper in a light pink shirt and red turban, posed with Shera, जो all black outfit और matching black turban में handsome लग रहे थे. Salman wrote a heartwarming caption for this bodyguard appreciation post which said, "Loyalty." Salman का ये छोटा सा caption बहुत बड़ी बात कह गया. और सलमान के दिल में शीरा के लिए जो ग्रैटिट्यूड है उसे भी बयान कर गया. After completing the shoot of Antim, which is a remake of a Marathi film Mulchi Patton, सलमान मार्च में अपनी highly anticipated film Tiger 3 की शूटिंग शुरू करेंगे. Tiger 3 is being produced by YRF, who are also producing other big budget projects like Pathaan and a film with Ajay Devgan. Rumor has it that after their 50-year celebration was delayed last year, YRF is now gearing up to make a high-profile announcement of all the projects they are working on. In addition to Pathaan, Tiger 3 and Prithvi Raj, YRF is working on films starring Vicky Kaushal, Ajay Devgan, amongst other, which are being kept under wraps for now. According to a confidential source, a special showreel is being prepared for the big screen to announce their slate of upcoming films, which includes films with Salman Khan, Katrina Kaif, Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, John Abraham, Ajay Devgan, and Vicky Kaushal, among others. It will be a grand video celebrating cinema, and some visuals from these forthcoming films are also expected. Well, we are super excited to finally get some updates on all these highly anticipated projects, and we can't wait to share all the details with you. एक वक्त था जब you could either look stylish or comfortable. Then came the amazing option of athleisure, which brings together style and comfort, making it the go-to choice for B-Town divas who are now sporting it at gyms, meetings, brunch, or while leaving the sets post a shoot. It's truly versatile, and if chosen well, it can make you look super stylish even with minimum makeup and accessories.
Bollywood divas are always under tremendous pressure to look amazing at all times. Paparazzi follow them around and click pictures of them outside their shoots, restaurants, and even after their workouts. And after juggling many outfits of the day, it looks like Bollywood's leading ladies found the ultimate solution to all their fashion troubles, which is athleisure. Here are 6 Bollywood divas who wore athleisure in style.
Kiara Advani. Kiara's social media posts prove she loves athleisure. The actor is often spotted wearing athleisure quad sets with a soft glam makeup look and a simple hairstyle that completes the casual look and makes her look simply stunning. Katrina Kaif. Even after decades in the business, Katrina remains one of the fittest and most sought-after stars in Bollywood. The diva, who usually keeps things casual when she isn't on set, is often spotted wearing fitting athleisure that perfectly highlights her toned body. Athleisure crop tops or tank tops with leggings is Katrina Kaif's go-to style. Ananya Pandey. Ananya is slowly becoming Bollywood's youngest fashionista, and the upcoming star rarely puts a foot wrong when it comes to fashion. Keeping things edgy and experimental, Ananya has been spotted wearing athleisure with heels and glamorous poker straight hair to show that she can look glamorous in any outfit. Deepika Padukone. This reigning queen of Bollywood has been spotted in athleisure often while traveling and heading out to shoots. DP loves pairing baggy pants with a crop top and a jacket on top that she accessorizes with large sunglasses and minimal hair and makeup. Anushka Sharma. This new mommy style has always been basic and classic, so it's no surprise then that she loves keeping things casual when she isn't shooting or attending events. The actor was spotted wearing a yellow tank top and grey leggings while chilling at home during the lockdown, or a printed pant and jacket with a black tank top that she wore while heading out for a work trip. Disha Patni. Disha Patni is seen almost exclusively in athleisure when she isn't working and has been spotted at airports, outside restaurants, and even while heading out for dates and drives with rumored boyfriend Tiger Shroff in a comfy athleisure crop top and a pair of track pants of leggings. Given her natural glow, she keeps hair and makeup to a minimum and lets her toned physique do all the talking.
कंगना जी कंगना जी कंगना जी कंगना जी कंगना जी
कंगना रनौत को आए हैं मुंबई पुलिस से समन्स। Kangna, who had accused veteran writer Javed Akhtar of intimidating her and being a part of a powerful coterie in Bollywood, is now facing defamation charges after Javed Saab filed a complaint against the controversial star in November last year.
कंगना को पंगा लेने की आदत पड़ चुकी है. Whether it's stirring controversy with her comments on nepotism, attacking her colleagues in the industry, which she refers to as Bollywood, or alleging the presence of a movie mafia that controls the fate of upcoming actors in the business. Kangna has been taking an increasingly hostile stand against actors, directors, and also producers. But are her comments coming back to haunt her now? Take a look.
In the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, Kangna went on a rampage against the Hindi film industry, accusing industry bigwigs like Karan Johar and Aditya Chopra of deliberately sidelining outsiders and conspiring with journalists and PR reps to deliberately defame certain actors.
कितने अच्छे से पीछे से जाके वार करते हैं, सामने तो कुछ नहीं कहते, सामने गले लगाते हैं, आपको किस करते हैं और पीछे से जाके आपके लिए प्लॉटिंग प्लानिंग करते हैं.
She also made controversial comments against female colleagues in the industry, referring to actors like Taapsee Pannu, Richa Chadda and Swara Bhaskar as B-grade actors. सुशांत और अपने स्ट्रगल्स में सिमिलैरिटीज ढूंढने की उनकी कोशिश में कंगना ने वेटरन राइटर और लिरिसिस्ट जावेद अख्तर को भी बार-बार अक्यूज किया, alleging that he had threatened her of dire consequences if she didn't end her alleged relationship with actor Hrithik Roshan. कंगना ने न्यूज इंटरव्यूज में कहा था कि जावेद साहब ने उन्हें डराने धमकाने की कोशिश की, a charge which the veteran writer has denied. कंगना के एलिगेशन से नाराज होकर जावेद साहब ने पिछले साल नवंबर में डेफेमेशन केस फाइल किया. accusing Kangna of allegedly making defamatory and baseless comments against him in television interviews. Javed Saab has said in his complaint that Kangna dragged his name into her allegations about a coterie existing in Bollywood and falsely accused him of threatening her to stay silent about her relationship with Hrithik Roshan. According to the complaint, कंगना के इन accusations ने जावेद साहब के public image को tarnish किया था. After a court allowed its time till 1st February to file a report of their investigation into Javed Saab's complaint, the Mumbai police has asked Kangna to appear before the Juhu police this week.
कंगना जी
While she is under multiple investigations now because of her controversial comments, Kangna continues to create social media posts that could create anger on social media. Recently, she shared a post about celebrating Sushant Day to remember the late actor, लेकिन अपने पोस्ट में फिर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री पे अटैक करते हुए उन्होंने लिखा, Above everything, celebrate Sushant Day as a celebration of life. Don't let anyone tell you that you aren't good enough. Don't trust anyone more than yourself. Leave people who suck you dry financially and emotionally. Celebrate Sushant Day. It remains to be seen कि इस defamation case का आगे क्या होगा and whether it will deter Kangna from making personal comments against industry members in the future. SRK's comeback film Pathaan is all set for its high-octane schedule in the Middle East. After shooting 2 schedules in Mumbai, Shah Rukh, Deepika Padukone and John Abraham are all set to fly to the Middle East, जहां film के action scenes shoot होंगे.
SRK has not been seen on the big screen after the release of his film Zero that was panned by fans and critics both. The actor's self-imposed sabbatical ended when he started shooting for Pathaan in the second half of last year. Though he hasn't confirmed he's doing the film, his leading lady Deepika just spilled the beans about her and SRK coming together for Pathaan again.
SRK has been keeping a low profile for the past 2 years, reading scripts and choosing projects carefully after back-to-back failures of his last few projects. Not surprisingly, he opted to make his comeback with Yash Raj Films, a production house that has given him some of the biggest blockbusters of his career. Pathaan is reportedly a spy thriller in which Deepika and SRK will play raw agents while John Abraham plays the antagonist. Dimple Kapadia will reportedly be playing a raw department head after shooting 2 schedules non-stop in Mumbai and completing all the indoor scenes. Shah Rukh, Deepika और John Abraham फिल्म का अगला शेड्यूल मिडिल ईस्ट में फिल्म करेंगे. The production team is currently finalizing locations for the high-energy action scenes that will feature all 3 lead actors. सुनने में आया है that the action scenes being planned include a chase sequence which will be filmed in a highly stylized manner. Abu Dhabi is likely to be the desired location for this chase sequence and very soon UAE में filming के बाकी locations भी choose हो जाएंगे. Given the ongoing restrictions, the team will then have to plan and make arrangements to shoot in a bio bubble. Sources say that mid-February might be the target date for this schedule to commence, and John Abraham will be joining the Pathaan team for the first time in Abu Dhabi. We can't wait to see the first look of the film and of course watch Shah Rukh back on screen after a really long time.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but guys stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
आलिया भट्ट आखिर क्यों एडमिट हुई थी हॉस्पिटल में? The actor, who has been shooting non-stop for two of her films, Gangubai Kathiawadi and RRR, was admitted to hospital for a day. And we now know why the actor needed medical attention.
Alia Bhatt is gearing up for the busy 2021 with multiple high-profile films lined up for filming and release. She is working on completing Gangubai Kathiawadi and RRR, which were delayed by the pandemic, and is likely to start shooting for Takht, which is a magnum opus being directed by Karan Johar. The actor is also looking forward to the release of Brahmastra, which has been in making for over 2 years now.
According to sources, Alia has been working and traveling non-stop since lockdown restrictions lifted, shooting for two high-profile films, Gangubai Kathiawadi and RRR, which is a pan-India project being directed by Bahubali director Mr. Rajamouli. आलिया मुंबई और हैदराबाद के बीच ट्रैवल करती रहती है, working on two demanding films. And though she took a break for New Year's to spend time with her family, the actor was completely exhausted by her heavy workload. She has some intense action scenes coming up for Gangubai Kathiawadi, लेकिन exhaustion और dehydration की वजह से आलिया की तबीयत खराब हो गई थी. That's why the actor reportedly took a day off and got herself treated, ताकि आने वाले strenuous action scenes के लिए उनके energy levels और stamina optimum रहे. Interestingly, just as news of Alia being in hospital emerged, her soon-to-be husband Ranbir Kapoor was spotted returning from Delhi, where he is shooting for Love Ranjan's next film. The actor had just begun work on the project last week, लेकिन सिर्फ कुछ ही दिनों के शूट के बाद काम स्टॉल हो गया है. There are reports that his co-star Shraddha Kapoor may be unwell, जिसकी वजह से फिल्म की शूट पोस्टपोन हो गई है. But the real reason for this sudden break in a shooting schedule is not known. कहीं रणबीर अपनी लेडी लव की तबीयत पूछने वापस तो नहीं आना चाहते थे? Well, we will know soon enough when the shoot for this rom-com begins again.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section of our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. But you guys keep watching Zoom.